Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro with such a luxury design, great. Like the Samsung Galaxy at 2017 arrangement, the body is full metal with a blend of 2.5D glass show. The screen utilizes Super AMOLED innovation with a width of 5.5 inches 1080 by 1920 pixels determination, notwithstanding utilizing the best screen Samsung has likewise covered Defender Gorilla Glass 4. For the Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro, programming will run the Android working framework v7.0 Nougat, which unquestionably has numerous superb highlights from Google, for example, multi-window abilities, more power productive, better security and answers specifically from the warning talk. For web, this cell phone has been bolstered with 4G LTE Cat 6 associations. The above programming is upheld with Exynos 7870 Octa Core 1.6 GHz processor and Mali-T830 MP2 GPU for illustrations execution. Furthermore, there is likewise 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of inward memory that can be extended by means of a microSD opening up to 256 GB. What's more, for issues of energy dependent to the battery limit of 3600 mAh, type non-removable. Notwithstanding an assortment of cutting-edge equipment above, Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro additionally brings unique camera abilities. At the back there is a fundamental camera 13 MP f/1.7 focal point opening and has been outfitted with autofocus and LED flash. Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro front camera is additionally no less alluring with the camera determination 13 MP f/1.9 gap finish with LED flash. So this cell phone is exceptionally appropriate for you who like photograph selfie, live sauce or live vlogging, the minute truly at any rate. A standout amongst the most intriguing of the Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro is as of now stashed IP54 affirmation, waterproof or waterproof, that make HP isn't an issue on the off chance that you take it under the rain. In any case, recollect not to take a swim since it cannot stand splashed. Propelled security highlights, for example, the unique mark sensor have additionally been implanted on this cell phone. Overabundant Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro. Configuration wrapped in metal material, which shows off looks so extravagant. Improved with the touch of innovation 2.5D curved glass. Outfitted with fingerprint scanner, information security sensor utilizing unique mark. Battery limit of 3600 mAh that can keep going long.